Hello and welcome to the book launch of Nigeria's finest crypto enthusiast, preacher, and the founder of Crypto Masterclass, Tola Fadugagbe, who is also the author of the book we are going to be launching today, The Simplified Cryptocurrency. I'm super excited to be here. I am here holding it down on the red carpet at Oriental Hotel. I'm Faith Equari, and you're watching Crypto TV Plus. Keep it locked, guys. Holding it down on the red carpet, I am here with Mrs.
Sharon Rich Lauren.
I'm God's Power, popularly known as Cowboy in the space, Crypto Cowboy.
Mr. Paul, the Business Development Manager for BitGet.
My name is Faith Titus. I'm a surveyor by profession.
I am Faith Equari. Oh, that's winning on the red carpet. How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
Very well, thank you.
I'm doing great.
How do you feel being here today at Tola Fadugagbe's book launch?
Well, first of all, I like to show solidarity to my friend, Ola. I've known him for a while, a couple of years, and I know his story and I know his track record. And I believe that being here is a way to support him and also endorse that what he's doing is something that is very commendable.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm seeing a lot of big faces. I came out to network. And that's what I'm doing, and it's going well.
Well, the book launch, I think, is a step further in making the crypto experience known to a lot of people out there, and there's a lot of misconception. People think a lot based on things that has happened in the past, things like MMM and the rest of them.
I feel so amazing. I feel so inspired, looking at where I met Tola and looking at today. So I've seen how far he has actually come through the ecosystem, and I'm very happy that, we can use him as a point of testimony to a lot of people that are coming on the ecosystem, to encourage them, telling them that there is hopes.
The book is something very good where people get to read. The title of the book is The Simplified Cryptocurrency. So people need to read, understand the simple nature of cryptocurrencies and start their journey back.
What are you expecting from today's book launch?
From today's book launch, I know I'm going to hear a lot more, and I'm going to see more of the crypto masters out there. I know they are all going to be here, so seeing them, hearing from the horse's mouth, it's going to be a whole lot of impression.
Well, I expect, to read or see a lot of resources. I know that Tola is an expert in the ecosystem, so I am actually expecting to see a value addition, write-ups, things that I'm going to read, that will really educate me the more, empower me, and add more value and get me some money.
Very good money.
Everything I have seen so far is what I already expected. Because I know that something coming from Tola wouldn't underperform. I expected a lot. I expected so much from it, and I think he has delivered. From what I've seen so far.
Well, I'm expecting Tola.
And we was expecting something from you to launch the book, right?
Oh, why not?
Why not? So delving a little bit into the NFT world, do you think most of these NFTs that are sold for this ridiculous amount of money is worth it, or is just the hype, and this hype is going to crumble at a point?
NFT. I have my reservations for NFTs. I had this conversation.
I would love to hear them.
Let's just see how things unfold with it. I wouldn't want to say much. I don't discourage people.
I don't think I want people to be discouraged. I just want to know if you think it has found its balance now, or you think it's still going to find.
We are yet to really figure out what the metaverse just came out, right? And there are a lot of use cases that very, very reasonable. But for NFT,
it's still a little bit.
We're not there yet. To me, anyways.
All right, understand. Do you think the ridiculous amounts these NFTs are being sold for are worth it, or it's just a hype that is just going to go away later on?
Well, NFTs are important. NFT is the currency of the metaverse. Now, but every system has a certain level of hype.
Yeah.
Especially when it's still at its nascent stage. where the NFT, the current NFTs are, there's a very high level of hype, and after hyping anything, that's when we begin to look at real use cases. What are the real use cases of NFTs? Then are those cases enough to hold?
That's finding the balance. Yeah.
So by the time, after some time, we'll definitely see some particular NFTs go to practically zero. Some will even go higher than they are. Some will retrace, and so on and so forth. We will keep seeing that. A lot of people have minted NFTs, but these NFTs, don't forget, a lot of them will retain value because the value, they say, is in the eye of the beholder. Some people don't care. Even it's like the Mona Lisa painting. Somebody can buy it for $5 million. He doesn't care.
Yeah.
It's not for everybody. It's just it's a bragging right, and also a store of value, and also something that the fact that you own a Mona Lisa or Leonardo da Vinci's painting is something quite big. So, but apart from that, for NFTs, that when we have NFTs that are mass minted, there has to be a use case. Maybe tickets, or maybe it can open doors, can give you access to some things that ordinarily you might not have access to, like some big KOLs or big influencers. So at the end of the day, if those things don't happen, it definitely would lose its value. So there, after minting the NFTs, we now move into the plane of the realm of value creation for those particular NFTs, and I think that's where we'll see quite a number of use cases this year. We'll see quite a number of people trying to already there are some NFTs that are popping up value here and there. But time will tell if they will retain those values or across board. All
right. You were talking about how you should, grow from just trading cryptocurrency to actually doing things that will help the industry grow. Can you highlight most of those points for us here at the Red Carpet?
Okay, so cryptocurrency trading is just one aspect of the opportunities that the blockchain technology industry offers. There is much more opportunity, and you can start from there. I think it's one of the simplest places to start from. As you get much more deeper, it gets a little bit more complicated. You can create better careers for yourself beyond trading and speculating crypto. For instance, you can aspire to be a blockchain developer, you can be a game designer, you can be a 3D animator creating NFTs, you can create all kinds of things, So it's not enough to just stop at the first bus stop. Just go ahead and get more out of the industry itself.
And what do you have to say to Tola Fadugbagbe if he plans on, embarking on new projects and more projects to enhance the cryptocurrency world?
Well, for Tola, I think that this is just the beginning for him, and I strongly believe that there is room for him to do much more. I expect that this book should turn into an electronic copy. It could even be turned into an NFT itself, and circulate it all over the world. The physical book era is almost gone. There's place for it, but it's almost gone. So I want to see a book like this spread across every part of the globe.
Just before you go, what is the future of cryptocurrency in this part of the world, Nigeria, Africa?
Cryptocurrency is the future of finance, not just in Nigeria, but all over the world. Cryptocurrencies are a better type of money suitable for the internet. Cryptocurrencies are a better type of money because they can be censorship resistant. Cryptocurrencies can be used as an instrument to resist oppression. Everybody is talking about Ukraine, talking about Russia, but there is one instrument that is going to be sought after too. That will be cryptocurrencies, because nobody can do the type of thing that they are doing to Russia by imposing sanctions. Cannot sanction anyone from the crypto market, from the crypto industry. So it will form the basis of resistance to aggression from anywhere. It doesn't have to be from the US and the West. Anywhere in the world, cryptocurrency can be a hedge and a resistant tool. I'm Chimeze Chuta.
Paul Ezaflugwe, team lead BitGet Africa.
Keep watching Crypto TV Plus.
Crypto TV Plus.